Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a split effect in Canva. You can upgrade your photo product, your design product with a Canva. So all you have to do is open canva.com and create your own design. For example, I choose a bowl. You can practice yourself using a photo or image from library. So please prepare two, or you can make duplicate two bottles here with identical bottle, and just make a duplicate here like this, and try to split it by drag the first photo and then drag again the second photo like this. So the product or the bottle is splitting right now. So let's add more a visual here, more aesthetic by shape like this for more aesthetic, like this here. Just the position here is more like a 3D effect that you can try. Just add shapes here in the elements, like this. You can try to play the transparency here, or you can even add some shadow here. The transparency, let's try, sorry, this one. So please free to try a design or upgrade your product by design in Canva. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.